Welcome to Maths and Science by IITian. In this lecture, I have taken a very good example in logarithms and also exponentials. A function, it's a part of the algebra lectures, and I have started algebra lectures for the last 4 classes. Please refer to them for further information. In this, we will be solving and plotting the equation, algebraic equation 5 minus x is equal to e to the power of x minus 5. It's a very good example, useful for IIT JEE, Maths Olympiad and CSIR-NET. All higher level mathematics examinations, this particular example will be useful. Let us try to solve it and also plot it. Let's go further. What is the question given? Question is to solve and plot 5 minus x is equal to e to the power of x minus 5. This is the question given. Now, let's go for the solution. What is the solution? If you see on left hand side and the power on the right hand side are almost numerically equal but opposite in sign, then can we write like this? Minus x minus 5 is equal to e to the power of x minus 5. Let x minus 5 is equal to some t. That implies x is equal to t plus 5. Now, if x minus 5 is equal to t, let us replace this in the main equation. Then minus t is equal to e to the power of t. That implies the equation to be solved is in the form e to the power of t plus t is equal to 0. This is the equation which we are supposed to solve. To get the value of t, from t we will get the value of x. Then, if t is greater than 0, let us try to find the behavior. First case, if t is equal to 0, what happens? E to the power of 0 plus 0 is equal to, left hand side is equal to 1 plus 0, that is equal to 1, that is not equal to right hand side 0. Then t is equal to 0 is not a solution. Next, t is greater than 0. Then e to the power of t plus t will be greater than 0 and is not equal to 0. That means t can never be positive, t can never be equal to zero. Then what is the other possibility? Other possibility is t is less than 0. is possible. It is possible because e to the power of t plus t can be equal to 0 for some t. That means the solution is t is negative. Our equation now, we got what is the behavior of t. Then we have to find out what is the value of t. The equation is e to the power of t plus t is equal to 0. That implies e to the power of t is equal to minus t. That implies 1 is equal to e to the power of minus t into minus t. Are you able to understand? E to the power of t, I brought it on the right hand side. Hence, the given equation is e to the power of minus t into minus t is equal to 1. We can write like this. Let minus t is equal to some value a. Then it becomes e to the power of a into a is equal to 1. That is a into e to the power of a is equal to 1. Because t is always negative, minus t is always positive. Because t is less than 0, always negative, minus t is always greater than 0, that implies a is greater than 0. Because a is equal to minus t. That implies the equation to be solved is a into e to the power of a is equal to 1 for a is greater than 0. From the discussions we had on the Lambert W function, here we will use the behavior of Lambert W function. The solution for a into e to the power of a is equal to 1 implies a is equal to W1. What is the value of Lambert function, W1 function value? That is equal to 0.56. This is already I have discussed in many classes in my previous lectures. Please refer to them for understanding the Lambert function. That means the value of a is equal to W1 is equal to 5671, 0.5671. Once we have got the value of a, what is t? T is equal to minus a. T is equal to minus a. That is equal to minus 0.5671. But x is equal to, we wanted to find out x. X is equal to t plus 5. That is what is the solution we require. X is equal to t plus 5, that is equal to minus 0.5671 plus 5. Like logarithm values you have took a note of, you please take a note of the Lambert W function values also. Handy. If required, otherwise I will release a short video on Lambert function values W1, W2, W3, so that these values will be handy for you. What is 5 minus 0.5671? It is 4.4329. That means the answer is x is equal to 4.4329. It is the answer. It's a very good example. Try to absorb the concepts, and this type of questions do come in the examinations. You try to solve them. Directly apply the Lambert function. If it is in the form a into e to the power of a is equal to 1 or u into e to the power of u is equal to 1, apply the Lambert function. You get the W1 value. I will give a short video, I will release, and you got the value of x in this particular example. Now, next is, it is the value of x we have got. Plot. Plotting. What is the equation given? Left hand side it is 5 minus x, right hand side it is e to the power of x minus 5. And both are intersecting at x value. Intersection point x is equal to 4.4329. Now we have to draw the plot. This is a straight line. This is a exponential curve. Now let us draw both and find out the intersection point we look at, and that is the plot of this graph. Now, this is y axis, this is x axis. Let us draw 5 minus x has an intercept, x is equal to 5, y is equal to 0. This is y, this is x. At x is equal to 0, left hand side gets an intercept of y at 5. And at y is equal to 0, x is equal to 5. This is the straight line. Straight line of 5 minus x. And second one is e to the power of x minus 5. When x is equal to 5, it will become e to the power of 0, that is equal to 1. That means when x is equal to 5, this will be 1. Let me say, it's not to graph, don't worry. At x is equal to 5 and x is equal to more than 5, it exponentially increases. When x is less than 5, it exponentially decreases. That means it is an asymptotic. Here is the point, asymptotic like this, moves like this, exponentially. Let us say, it's not to scale. Please try to understand that point. Now, this is the point, this is another point, x is equal to 5. and both the lines are intersected at a point called x is equal to 4.4329. X is equal to 4.4329. They have intersected. These two. This is e to the power of x minus 5. Now, we will write the summary. E to the power of 5 minus x is equal to e to the power of x minus 5 has a solution at x is equal to 4.4329 and remember the value of Lambert function W1 is equal to 0.5671. From this we got the above value, and the plot is as shown this way. Now, with this I want to conclude this lecture and this type of problems. Don't worry, you will be able to solve it, and Lambert function values I try to give in a short video, W1, W2, whatever these values, important values, I will summarize and I will give you. Please remember these values, W1, W2, Lambert function values, please remember. Thanks a lot for viewing my lecture. Best of luck to everybody. If there is a value addition to you because of this lecture, kindly share and subscribe to my channel Maths and Science by IITian. Maths and Science by IITian. Thank you for listening to me. Best of luck.